focus on the big breakthrough in the Saif Ali Khan attack case. The prime accused in the case has been arrested from Thane. Those are the details coming in, and the Mumbai police arrested him. He is said to be working at a Mumbai pub and has been tracked down to a site in Thane. He is currently at the police station. We are breaking updates now coming in. More details have emerged of the prime accused in the case. The accused was working as a waiter in Thane and has also been working as a housekeeping staff. And he is said to be a resident of Worli and had given fake documents. So he is known by several aliases. He has a name going by Vijay Das. He goes by Mohammed Ilyas, Mohammed Ilyan in certain places, had also faked several documents. These are some of the details that the police officials have established, that he has been faking several documents while he has given these documents not just at his residence to the landlords, but also to his place of employment. So days after Saif Ali Khan was stabbed multiple times inside his Mumbai home, a man has been arrested and he is said to be the prime suspect in the case. So he is said to be the main accused in the case, and he has been identified as Vijay Das, alias also Mohammed Ilyas. So he goes by two names. The officials are now trying to establish whether this was the man. They believe that he was the man who was captured on CCTV. On the day of the attack, at about 2:37 a.m., a man could be seen walking out from the 6th floor, and that man has been captured on CCTV. And the police officials believe that the man that you're seeing on the screens is the man who was seen walking out of the stairs. In fact, some sources also saying that he has also confessed to the crime. More details awaited on the same. He will be produced before the court, and the police officials will be seeking for the custody of the accused in the case. For further interrogation in the case, remember, some of the questions still remain unanswered on what was the motive behind this attack. Kareena Kapoor Khan, in her statement to the police officials, has said that there was jewelry present in the house. It was not picked up by the man. Was it left behind in a hurry after he attacked Saif Ali Khan, or is there more to the story? These are some of the details that the police officials will be looking at. As of now, one man has been arrested. This is the man on your screens, the main accused in the case. The police officials will also be looking at whether he was working alone or whether more people were also involved in this. My colleague Shweta is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Shweta, details available of the prime suspect in the case. What do we know of his involvement in the crime? What are the details?
Well, that's right. In fact, we understand that already the primary details what we have sought from our police sources are claiming that, number one, he was constantly changing his identity. Initially, he introduced himself as Vijay Das, and later on, when probe began intensively on him, he stated that his name is Mohammed Ilyan or Vijay. So here we understand that, again, when the person is changing his identity, this could be not a normal person who has just, in an attempt to robber, he has went there. He already has a long history. This is what the first and foremost thing is Mumbai police doing. Remember, it is a parallel investigation with more than 100 people involved in this, multiple units that has been deployed, and at night the person was in fact nabbed. And I'll quickly show you the visuals where I'm present. In fact, this is Khar police station, and the accused most likely is kept here, and moreover, it's around 11 that the accused would be taken out for medical, and then he will be produced in the holiday court. Now, basically, this is the normal legal procedure that has been always followed by the police officials while they detain, later they arrest the accused, and then they are produced before the court. And here we understand that this particular prime accused was in fact nabbed from the bushes, as we have have shown in our previous reports also that he was nabbed from Thane near a metro construction site, and later he was brought to Mumbai and then to the Khar police station. And as per our topmost police sources, we have sought the information that the DCP were present here till morning 7, and they have left from here because there's also a press conference shortly that would be briefed by the police officials regarding this particular case. Now remember, when it comes to this attack on Saif Ali Khan,